We're going to cut two 2x4s 16 inches. We need 4 cut at 12 inches. So now we're going to run it through the table saw, and we're going to take just the edge of it off just to get rid of this round edge, make it square. Now we're going to run it through the table saw and cut the 2x4 in half. We're going to take the ones we cut 12 inches and we're going to cut them in half at 6 inches. We need 4 pieces at 11.5 inches. And we need 1 at 5.5. Now we're going to build the frame. Put the 6 inches inside the 16-inch pieces. Now we're going to put the frame together. We put the 6 inches here and across here. Take our 1x6s and we're going to put them together and attach them on the bottom. Add a 7x7 inch piece of wood. Now I marked and drilled a hole in the middle of our 5.5 inch piece here, and we're going to add our fennel to the top of it. And we're going to put it in the center. Okay, so I decided to cut 4 little feet for it. They're like 2x2 inches. I'm just going to sand them down. It'll give it a little better look. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.